Hi everyone, Ross Satchell from Microchip Technology here again. Today I'm showing the Microchip Weather Clock project made by one of our apps engineers. Instead of having time on its dial, it has weather. So you can see from the clock face it has 8 weather forecast segments ranging from sunny to tornadoes. In each segment it has the temperature ranging from -5 to 15 degrees centigrade. It uses an AVR-IoT board connected to the Google Cloud, a stepper 2 click from Micro, and a stepper motor. It gets weather information from the Google Cloud and then displays both the weather forecast and the current temperature. Now here's Johan with the weather.
Okay Google, talk to Microchip Weather Clock.
Here's the test version of Microchip Weather Clock.
What would you like the weather clock to do?
Show the weather for London.
The weather clock now displays London.
Okay Google, talk to Microchip Weather Clock.
Getting the test version of Microchip Weather Clock.
What would you like the weather clock to do?
What is the weather in Phoenix?
The weather clock now displays Phoenix.
For more information, check out the links in the description below.